Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan technology package in the brown finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a low mileage, local Calgary car with a clean accident-free Carproof. Some of the features include LED daytime running lights, adaptive front lighting system, front-facing fog lights, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, light controls, power folding side mirrors, power windows and locks, power adjustable front seating with driver's seat memory seating, hands-free controls, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, dual zone climate control, front heated seats, electronic parking brake, panoramic sunroof, ivory interior in great shape, and much more. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.